All right, traders, Dr. Barry Burns here with Top Dog Trading, and today we're going to show some live visualized trader with NinjaTrader. So we've got the ES here, and I've got the market analyzer over to the left, a 1,000 tick chart there just to the right of that, and a 3,000 tick chart to the right of that. So first thing you'll notice here is that you can set up a column. Actually, I've got two columns there for the visualized trader, 1,000 for the 1,000 tick chart, and 3,000 for the 3,000 tick chart. So it'll go bullish, as you see it flickering there between bullish and neutral, and the 3,000 tick chart will do the same. So you can get a signal right over there when everything lines up and goes green like that. It's nice that it's doing it right now. And you see that also across the top of the 1,000 tick chart there, the all of the little buttons are green, and so that's what it's actually indicating. But that's a way that you can put a bunch of markets in there, a bunch of instruments, and just look over there and look for any that are green or red, and again you can put them by time interval. So, and again, what it's telling you is all these here, all these energies are up. Trend is up, price count is up, stochastic indicates buy, mom is up, and dad is up. That's what that is actually telling you over there. So great way to sort or scan for the alignment of the energies. And when they go flat, I make it go to a black background. Stochastic, of course, when it gets to the top of the range, it'll do that a lot. Not just is because it goes to the top of the range. So don't have to worry about that too much up there, but we like to get in, of course, earlier. So once it's going, then we are happy and we want it to keep going. Okay, so then what else do we look at? Well, of course, we got to look at our longer term time frame, 3,000 tick chart here, looking at mom. And since we had a long signal over there on the 1,000 tick chart, we want the mom momentum indicator to be angling up. And it is. So now I've got my custom indicators on here, my Top Dog Trading custom indicators. You don't need those. Those are in addition to the visualized trader. In other words, the stochastic, the MACD. But the volume indicator, it does come with the visualized trader. So you see down there it's labeled visualized trader volume. And that will color red or green depending on whether the volume is stronger than the last bar. And if you want, you can even just leave the indicators off. See, because up here you've got a little button that says mom is up on the 3,000 tick chart. In fact, the guy who designed this, Gary Odom, he doesn't even put the indicators on his charts. He just looks at the little labels up here. So you could do that with the 3,000 tick chart too. I like to have the indicators on there because I like to see what the wave count is, and I like to see the angle of the indicators. So I like to do those sort of things, but if you want to keep it real simple, that's what he likes to do. Just keep it super simple, and definitely more simple to do it the way he does. So you can certainly do that as well. Now you'll notice that the volume down there is basically colored red or green, and again that's just indicating whether the volume bar is greater, more volume than the last one, and he likes to buy when the volume bar is bigger than the previous one. Also measures it against the average. Okay, so let's get a close-up view here now because there's something else that I haven't mentioned yet. And here we go. Whoops, missed. All right, it'll come into focus here. Okay, so anyway, there are some green triangles here. There they are. Move it over for you. And those green triangles, again, they are another signal, if you will, as to when the energies line up, these particular energies. So that's also plotted right on the chart for you underneath the bars that had the energies line up at that moment. Okay, of course they can change. As you see, they flicker up and down, just like the indicators flick up and down, because that's what they're doing, measuring the indicators. But so then you have that historical record of when those energies align. So obviously don't want to take it just based on a triangle. Like to make sure I have the longer term momentum energy lined up as well. So that's very important. Now he also has little different things here. Trend. Now PC. What is PC? See over there on the chart on the right. PC is up right now, and that refers to price. Price count. Basically, it just means is the close above the open. So the price close, you could call it, is above the open, then it's up. If the price closes below the open, then it is down and it'll turn red. By the way, you can change the colors on all of these too. It's all customized for whatever colors you prefer. These are the ones that I particularly like, so these are the ones that I use. So that's another thing that he uses as an indication, which we normally don't pay too much attention to with the regular 5 energy method, as well as volume. So he's got a couple of extra things here, and this approach is designed only really for trend trading, and so that's why a trend is the very first energy there. So again, this can be used very, very well. It's one of the best things that I've seen for quite a while. He is a student of Top Dog Trading and came up with this, programmed it originally on thinkorswim, which is the program that he uses. And then it was so popular, we decided, hey, we got more people using NinjaTrader than thinkorswim, so let's make it available to the NinjaTrader people. We had a lot of people actually switch to thinkorswim just because they like this so much. And but we still have a lot of NinjaTrader people who don't have thinkorswim, and so wanted to make it available to you guys as well, especially after the popularity. So as you can see, we just, once we're in like this, then we just wait and use your usual exits, basically looking for a resistance level concurrent with the cycle high. It's still going up here. And you can use your indicator trailing stop if you want to. The MOM on the next higher time frame. I'm just zooming in real closely here so you can see that once these 5 energies align and the momentum on the next higher time frame, then it does pretty well. Now, one of the things too is I do use support resistance, of course. That's one of my 5 energies, and that's not really one of the labels up there at the top. So you just use the normal support resistance that we teach. The moving averages, they're on there already, of course, but your Fibonacci levels, your floor trader pivots, and things like that.